Well, hello, kings and queens and everything in between. Thanks for tuning in to mrsdeetv. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and smash the like button. If you're not new, welcome back. Hey, 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 y'all. I'm cleaning out my refrigerator, so y'all already know what time it is. Time to go grocery shop, but first I gotta get this refrigerator clean to my standards. Okay? Yes, y'all, this is an old ice cream container, and I have bleach, water, and dishwashing liquid up here. I'm using this to wipe down the refrigerator. I'm gonna go ahead on and speed this video up, y'all, because y'all know some people have a short attention span, and I want them to watch this video, so let go. Quick question, how many of y'all have tried these here before? Quick tip for those who don't know, when you're cleaning out the refrigerator, make sure you clean out those rubber gaskets that's on the side of the refrigerator. Y'all know what I'm talking about. They had the little food particles all up in the inside, and sometimes drip drop of some juice. Make sure y'all get that up too. I bet y'all be saying she always climbing on top of something. She need to get down and get a ladder or something. I got time for that. I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to clean something, so I need to get up on whatever I can get up on and get to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Alright y'all, everything is nice and clean. Even though I did not participate in Vlogmas this year, y'all, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can know when I upload again. And I'll see y'all guys again in the next video. Thank you.